Hello and welcome back to our kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make a delicious chicken and vegetable soup that is perfect for this cold season. There are many recipes for soup out there, but what makes this one different is that it's so quick and easy to make. But most of all, it has so much flavor that you won't believe how good it tastes. This soup is a great way to use up any leftover chicken or vegetable you have in your fridge, and it's also very healthy and nutritious. So let's get started. Let's start by chopping an onion. You will need to chop about 2 cups of yellow onion. There is something about chopping vegetables that is so therapeutic. Saute the onion in a large pot over medium-high heat for 2 minutes. Chop 2 cups of carrots and enjoy the ASMR. Chop 2 cups of celery. By the way, why did the celery go to the doctor? Because he was feeling stuck. Sorry for the bad joke. Stir the vegetables until they are nice and tender. Season with a tablespoon of butter and 1 teaspoon of salt and ground black pepper. Pour about 800 ml of diced tomatoes. And pour about 8 cups of chicken stock. Allow the soup to boil. Peel and chop 500 grams of Yukon Gold potatoes. Why do potatoes make good detectives? Because they keep their eye peeled. Sorry about that. Add 500 grams of cooked diced chicken. You may use leftover chicken or any rotisserie chicken that you find at any supermarket. Add 2 bay leaves to add extra flavor to the soup. 1 tablespoon of dried oregano. 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire Sauce. 1 tablespoon of Maggi Sauce. Cover and allow the soup to simmer for an hour over low heat. After an hour, add 1 cup of frozen peas and 1 cup of frozen corn. Chop 3 tablespoons of fresh parsley. Adjust the salt and pepper to your liking after tasting it. Continue to simmer for another 10 minutes. Slightly melt a quarter cup of unsalted butter and add 4 cloves of minced garlic in a mixing bowl. We like to add enough garlic to keep the vampires away. Season with salt and add 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley. Mix until smooth and creamy. Grab a French baguette and slice it in half lengthwise. Spread a thin layer of garlic butter. Place the baguette on a baking tray and bake for 10 minutes in the preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or until crisp. We hope you enjoy this simple, nutritious, and effortless recipe. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time for another QED recipe.